Welcome to Supercars TV 99. The automotive world hushes to a whisper as the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S 680 glides into the spotlight, not merely as a new car, but as a moving monument to the pinnacle of luxury. This isn't an update, it's a reaffirmation of a philosophy where excess is perfected, and every detail is an aria to opulence. Let's begin where all first impressions are made, the exterior. The iconic two-tone paint scheme, a Maybach signature, is now applied with even more breathtaking precision, using advanced robotic spraying techniques for a flawlessly seamless partition. The vertical chrome struts of the signature grille are more pronounced, flanked by intricate digital LED headlights that project a unique Maybach pattern upon approach. The extended rear door, whispering of the grandeur within, features new, elegantly recessed door handles. Standing still, it commands a presence in motion. It possesses the silent, imperious grace of a luxury liner. Open that substantial, vault-like door, and you cross the threshold into what is arguably the finest interior in production today. The cabin is a sanctuary of sensory perfection. Surfaces are swathed in the softest Nappa leather, open-pore wood veneers with exquisite inlays, and genuine metal accents that feel cool to the touch. The focal point remains the majestic rear seats, now offering even more profound levels of customization. The executive rear seat package plus transforms the cabin into a mobile lounge, with power reclining seats featuring enhanced calf rests, a sublime massaging function with new wellness programs, and dedicated champagne flutes housed in a refrigerated compartment. The latest iteration of the MBUX hyperscreen flows across the entire dashboard for the driver, while rear passengers command their environment via individual tablets, controlling everything from the panoramic sunroof's electrochromic shade to the sublime 4D Burma Stray-registered high-end surround sound system. Under that elongated hood lies a heart befitting the 680 badge, a handcrafted, bi-turbocharged V12 engine. This masterpiece of mechanical artistry delivers not just staggering, silken power, but also the priceless prestige of 12 cylinders in an electrifying world. It propels this automotive palace with a force that is both immense and utterly serene, isolated from the cabin by layers of acoustic engineering. The price for this ultimate expression is, as expected, positioned in the rarefied stratosphere. While final figures will be confirmed at the official launching, anticipate a commanding premium that reflects its unparalleled status, likely beginning well into the mid-$200,000s, escalating rapidly with the boundless personalization options from the Mercedes-Maybach manufacturer program. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S 680, therefore, exists beyond specifications. It is a statement. In an era rushing towards autonomy and electrification, the S 680 is a deliberate, magnificent celebration of the traditional pinnacle of the chauffeur-driven experience, of the theater of arrival, and of a luxury so profound it feels tranquil. It is not built to be the fastest, but the most esteemed. For the select few who will reside in its back seats, it offers the world's most beautiful isolation, proving that true luxury is not about reaching a destination, but about being utterly, perfectly lost in the journey.